Hi, this is Dr. Ahmed Hussain. I would like to share this AI kit with you. I have PhD in AI in machine learning specifically. This is a toy I bought from Amazon Dubai. It's for kids, for children, 40 dirham from Amazon. And this is the AI model that controlling the strike of this toy. How it works? If I mention my first name, when I mention my first name, this machine will strike. Let us test it to check whether it's working or not. This is an audio classification model. So I put the bullet here of the toy. Load. And I will bring the mic for the system. Ahmed, it's work.